California. When you look what you say, no. I'm not sure what you say, no. Cause I know nobody see me come out go talk about it, you know. Me a come to chat. The time when people, when the money did send, when the $3,000 did send in your cash app when man in for Ivany, all that $3,000 did go, who cancel it? Or did cancel?
It cancel cash app, so them cancel it for my protection.
Okay.
I have the message on my phone.
Alright, screenshot you sent to me other phone to the foreign number.
Hold on, my phone you send it from there. Hold on. Who should I number?
The foreign number.
What happened?
Miss who come there? Where's Stacy the man? Alright, when Vanny send the money to the cash app, right to him cleaning center, me call him and me say to him, say Vanny, if Stacy tell me say the money cancel, don't send it to it. Me say send it to the PayPal. She send it to the PayPal. When she send it to the PayPal, Stacy text me this and me send Vanny. Me say, the PayPal said to me this, said to Stacy say, we noticed something usually with this payment to protect your account. We are taking a closer look for 24 hours. Oi.
You see all of this are your fault. You see now my people are calling me, say them see my business all over on internet. Savannah send money to me. And you see all of this is your fault. Me tell you, say Tikki, hold on, me will take out the money for you, but you're jumpy, you want that she come with it and all of that. But nobody would know say your money are cash out and oh your money are cash out if you did just wait. I just wait until Mr. Tikki, when me have time, me do it for you. But you just jump here, you don't want this friend. Me not understand you, man. You see, why every turn somebody send me screenshot with my business logo. Me tell us, lady na ask why me never do it. Tikki know why me never do it. Tikki know why me could. All I know, most I know even follow Tikki. So I don't know where you come from, but why you never do it. Tikki did just have to just wait for me do it. Me not even know if it start with the hold on. Here's somebody and knock.
Fanny first cash app will come through. This is when Vanny call me for this. This is when me send the Zelle to Vanny. Vanny call me for the Zelle.
Yeah, Africa come later.
That's how me tell him if he come. This is when Vanny call me for the Zelle. He call me and tell me saying Zelle now work. Me said him a PayPal thing. Call him back right so I can. Minute I tell him say cancel it. It is no. Me say send it in a the fucking internet poor chat.
Alright, hold on, Tikki. Me I look for the something with the first time she send the money to me. The first time she send the money to my cash app.
Cash App.
This week.
Yes.
The first time she send the money to the Cash App send this. So
Let me send it a bit
let me try read it. First time she send the money to my Cash App said this. Them said this payment was cancelled for your protection. So me call Tikki and me tell Tikki say it cancel. Him say him a go send it. If him a make she send it again. All I'm going and Cash App and you see when she send it again. No, Tikki never tell her to cancel.
Yeah, come
Cash App cancel it. See it there. It said this payment was cancelled. I can't read because me a show no and I still I say Tikki tell her cancel it. Oh, Tikki for tell her cancel it and made the
That's my fault. How am I fault?
It said this payment was cancelled. It said this payment was cancelled for your protection. Alright, hold on. This a Cash App, you know. May I stop read the comment because I'm not so sensible. Well, Tikki, how many lock off the camera? Wait. More lock it off for going and make Cash App. Hold on. Okay. Alright, hold on. That's the first time when she send it. Him say him a go make she send it again. When she send it again, let me see me can find the transaction. Hold on. Oh yes, it. I'ma block the bottom. Oh shit, people. Alright, hold on, Tikki. Alright, when she send it again, see it there. See it 2 times. Oh shit. Hold on. See 2 times them there and it fail. See them? It's the 2 of them fail, the 2 of them get cancelled. Alright. Me tell Tikki say Cash App say them a cancel it for my protection. So make she try.
So the same thing, right?
Hold on, make she try use PayPal. So when she try to send it to me from PayPal now, this is what PayPal said. When she send it to me from PayPal, then say, hold on. Alright, when she send it to me from, let me block her address or something. When she send it to me from PayPal, that is what it said. It said, we noticed something unusual with this payment. To protect your account, we're taking a closer look for 24 hours. That's what it say from PayPal. Anyway, 24 hours pass and PayPal now email me. And them say the review where them a take for 24 hours complete. Right? Him say this is what PayPal say. It's a PayPal payment review help you lower risk and reduce loss by alerting you to potentially problematic transactions. We've completed our review of the transaction below and found the payment may not be authorized by the PayPal account holder or may be the result of suspicious activity. As a result, we've canceled this transaction. You see it there? That's what PayPal says.
Tikki.
Yes, Simone.
May I go tell you now, right? It's not her. It's the system, and maybe because it's the amount of money that was being sent. The same thing happened with mine. When she sent it, it's a Cash App cancel it for my protection. You understand? Because remember, she never said me that amount of money. No, at the comment I say whatever. You understand? So them say them cancel it for my protection because remember, them don't know if I scam me, I get scammed. She never sent me that much money before. You understand? So them say all of that come true. Even your bank, right? Even your bank, when your bank see certain amount of money come out, them block your account, you know, and contact you. Or send you a message and say you contact them.
Yeah. Said the money cancel all heap of time. The money never cancel all heap of time. She sent it to the wrong.
One time she sent it to me.
Tikki send it to the wrong.
We're not about make up for B. You don't think everybody no because somebody still certain way. That doesn't mean she did something. That doesn't mean she did take and it's not she cancel the money, no chat too much, some blood clot, no chat too much. It's not she cancel the money, it's Cash App cancel the money. No, at the people in the comment me attack, at them
people come live and talk about it.
Or the people them not the comment are the problem because hear them I say we are pick up fear. How me fi pick up fear when the system I say
Me no know nothing about
whatever.
that because me never have them problem here yet, and me I use Cash App and PayPal
Me never had
years
a
now do my
problem.
business.
Exactly.
And nobody
listen,
never send money to me yet, and me get nothing about them. I protect my account or problematic
Exactly.
transaction. Or
Me
the
get-
morning right before Vani, I got $3,000 in my PayPal, and there was no problem.
So me
And
not get
before
money like
I
that?
got $250. Before that, me get $250 and $143. And there was no problem. Me get $3,000, me get $250 the same May 28. Me can show it in my pay, and there was
You send
no
me a
problem.
WhatsApp, and let me show
So
you
when
what
me see now, it has say
WhatsApp, and-
problematic
Well, tell me if
transaction
you
and all of
WhatsApp,
that. Me
and-
tell
Me
me if
shocked
I
too.
take that take her off, and me no want her from my people. Me
Me
go block her
shocked
from
to
my PayPal. Cause me I first me I see that from me I use
Stacey
PayPal.
ambitious because I've
We
Alex,
the
yeah.
witness, Stacey.
What Tikki for I apologize. So what Tikki did say, maybe Tikki said sitting with me never there.
What me say? Only thing me say to Vani say, wanna read good. Wanna read good, you know? Wanna read good, cause no must have.
when me say me a thief just like listen to bomb bubble out clap me not come talk about
me make people them read this.
me stop here because you see show the screen.
Since night me text Zani them or something, you wanna read the text now?
Share my head, you listen to
Ritual.
people and unfollow me from
Listen to
the
people and
start. I
unfollow me
didn't
from
even
the
say a
start.
thing to Pussyclot. Girl,
Girl, you on live a class me up. Oh no, me not say
oh no,
nothing.
me not say
But
nothing.
it's like you're guilty because there's no way my money got locked down in your account and me don't say or do shit. And you are bring me down both fuck out
Old batty boy.
shake my head. You see me people was looking for this day. That's why I be so calm because I don't give people the benefit of the doubt. And my money got locked down in your account and you're gonna say I don't care about the account. Like really shake my head. Oh no, you can't tell me when the bank said you're going to get my money and when me I gonna get my money and whatever. Yeah. But are your money still so you have right to ask about your money?
See, people say them say the 12th of June the Tikki before you get it back. Because them have to do them investigation by right.
Alright. So this away. This away.
Explanation. Are you
This
gonna
away.
block them black down? When the
This
bank
away Vanis.
money, you get your money. One of black people go suck on the man and text my phone. You know your life, when I give a fuck. You start the blood clot, all the things.
Ah, look here. And
Hold
I
on
know
there.
me no cause Vani, and I know me no say nothing bad. You see it? I know me no say nothing bad. You see it? I be say something bad. No people say me ungrateful.
You see the
You never tell me say the 12th of June.
Simon, may I put up this something when may I go put up the something where Vani screenshot Tikki? May I put up the something where Vani screenshot Tikki screenshot where the bank close our account and send to Tikki and read it and tell me if that sound like a Tikki transaction make our account like maybe something else are going with our account.
All right.
And then
Put it
close
on my
it
seat.
down.
Put it
Hold
on my
on.
seat.
Hold on.
Vani not tell me when me I get the money instead of Vani if you tell me to call me and say Tikki, me you go get your money next 2 weeks or next week or next year and etc. And that man. I say, all right then bestie. Yeah, Vani the par life I bring me down and me no say nothing.
So Tikki, may I ask you something, right? You did tell her if you cancel it at any point?
The first time when she sent it, me send her a PayPal. I tell her a Cash App. She send it to it. Me say, me text Stacey. Me say, Stacey, you get no money in the Cash App. Stacey start because I say, Jesus Christ. I want my name, I going to say, me take money now. Me say, don't know. Me send Stacey the screenshot. Stacey say, Tikki,
No,
the Cash App that.
him
And the PayPal that.
him send me PayPal email to her for Cash App, and then now it say it's with them. I say them send money to my email. So me say not because my email for my PayPal is not the same email me use to my Cash App. I wrong something yes when I send it to. I mean I want my name on the internet but no money. You understand? So I saw no.
Yeah,
she
and
cancel
it depends
and
too.
send
Let me
it
tell
to
you
the
something
right
too.
Cash App.
It can be this.
So
It
look.
can be this transaction. Stacey make them cancel her account. You see the whole part. Cancel.
Alright,
Cancel. What she
read
do?
it.
Let me see.
Read.
Put her in a big box.
Let me read it. Let me read it. You hear me? All right. Here what it say. It's a Wells Fargo perform ongoing review of its account relationship in connection with the bank responsibilities to manage risk in its banking operations. We recently reviewed your account relationship, and as a result of this review, we will be closing your above reference account because of one or more money transferred to your account reported as unauthorized. That sound like what that sound like to you?
So a good at the whole part
It's a because of one or more of your money transferred to your account reported as unauthorized. All right.
So it look like there's something that the whole part cancellation we should do, because bank look at that. It's the cancellation, them banks look at that and them say why you cancel. Remember, if you do if you do anything where your bank no know say like alright, so for instance, your bank you see a draw $20 all the time. All of a sudden them see you draw $1,000.
When a bank writes to you and tell you say transfer to your account reported as unauthorized, that means it's people who send you money and report your bank. A report say them not send you no money or something. That's what unauthorized. No cancel no they write this so. It says reported as unauthorized. You know, sometimes people sell your money and then call them bank and say them never this or them send your money and call them bank. That's what it mean. That is what it means. That's nothing to do with cancellation.
Hold on, let me see something. No, they're not gonna put cancellation, Stacy. Unauthorized, whatever it means, any money transfer at all, and cancellation and whatever, they're not gonna put cancellation. It's gonna put unauthorized, so whatever money transaction you have. As I said before, when you have
one or more of the money transferred to your account is reported as unauthorized. So did Tikki send money to her and report it unauthorized?
When me by say me is not him friend. What you mean by say me I know him friend? Because me say whatever, me a thief. Me not even gonna answer.
So y'all have the comment section.
No, me not listen to them. Yeah, but as I was saying, Stacy, right? So Tikki, what you have to do so she block you?
Vani black me, Simone, Vani no call me and say nothing to me about the money. Instead of Vani if he call me, Vani go pa live and cuss me. At screen record me if he see a people flash.
It shouldn't reach on the internet though. It shouldn't depend on the internet though. It shouldn't depend on the internet.
Simone, who did it? Simone, me tell no. Who did it the night when me a big one? Did me tell big one about Vani help me fix up my PayPal? Only thing me never say Vani help me cash out the money or Vani help me fix up the money. I said to Vani, Simone, me tell no Stacy. I said big one say something about Ivany. Me say yes, I'm my bestie. He picture me and Ivany take. Me say my bestie, he no scam me. He go hug me up and take picture with me and tell me I love me and tell me go feed me out of a big cup and cook put it 2 straw them cross with ya and full my belly with food. And he also fix up my PayPal so me can have the owner PayPal for monetize my owner money. So I'm only thing one want me cash up as well. Me say something bad there, so? Who did it the night? Me say something bad there, so?
Tikki, but me tell you say you not have to come answer, you know. Because
me no answer, Stacy, I know me no answer.
Because it clearly shows that your account was flagged before based on this email. It shows
me you could me I talk about this in a WhatsApp. You have to bring it up to me.
So based on that true
this evening me a ball about me blood clot food I hungry.
This email when them send
you never say nothing about this true. You never say nothing about
this. Talk about me too bad with them teeth. Me a van come and tell me say me a put on cowball in for money. And at the back me a talk about with them teeth. With me shoes them. Then after no me a Vani come and tell me now say me come and put on cowball in and me ungrateful and in the do much helpful. And in the do much helpful that and I know me not say nothing. He ma tell me say me ungrateful. I don't call Vani for the uprising of the setting of the me no call Vani name. I know me no call Vani name. I know me no answer Vani. How when he matter about so big fuck out batty boy what salt I know me no say nothing. How when me answer it I go look like my ungrateful.
But Tikki, where Vani take out the money did in a your PayPal.